All right, so it's the next day. I haven't touched anything. Just for birthday, yay! Nobody cares. Anyway, I'm just getting this motor. This motor actually looks good. It was on there. I didn't think it had like the little thing to screw in here, so I didn't mess with it. Once I realized I had the screw that will fit in there, I was like, this motor is pretty much together. Doesn't have spark. Just cleaned up the little sparkulator fire point, and hopefully we'll have spark now. Then I'll clean up the carburetor and then fucking crank this bad boy over, and then I'll throw this one into the car that I'm building after this one. So I'd rather be a motor up, because I already have, I got a few motors actually. I got one, two that definitely works. I know I got a few more, but I know off the top of my head that I have two that works for sure. So I'm gonna get this one running. I'm supposed to be chilling with my wife in a little bit, so I just want to get it running. And then, oh man, I gotta do the seat on this bike. I'll do it tomorrow. But when we get that done, the parts for this four-wheeler is going to be in today. The rest of the parts are going to be in today. So I'm cleaning out the intake, put the carburetor on. I got the little filter for the gas tank. I got to take this back off. So I take that back off, get the gas tank on, run new hosing. Something's wrong with the wiring. Well, the battery ain't hooked up, but it stopped working. Pissed me off. But I'm going to go through everything because I got some cool tools now. And I will see what is going on with this. And hopefully it'll be running by Wednesday. I got brakes. I got new levers coming today. I got the exhaust is here already. It's over there. So I need to cut this tubing right here and weld the new thing on it and do a couple other things. See, that looks like that in there. So I might have to cut that off, move that up. I have to cut this little bracket off right here, move it up to here. That way that will be like shoot straight on and then nice and pretty. I'm gonna have to take this exhaust off. So I gotta take it apart anyway, so jump the gun, but I just want to get this out the way instead of me stepping on it. I didn't want to stack this on top of each other. So, and I barbecued up there. So I'm gonna take this back apart probably tomorrow. I'm gonna make this an all-day affair tomorrow of getting this running. I'm gonna start dark 30 in the morning and get this thing going. But for now, I'm gonna do this. I ain't gonna do a video because it's like a million videos of these. Matter of fact, it wasn't really any of the Tecumsehs. So I might do a disassemble and reassemble for the Tecumseh side shaft. Because I barely found one. Luckily, one guy did one on the go-kart he did. And I can't think of his name, but I'll put his channel in the comments so y'all can check him out. Alright, well, thanks. Alright, so welcome back to the bait cave. Friday morning. I'm lying. It's like Wednesday. But got a lot of parts come in. I've been waiting for these parts to come in so I can finish the four-wheeler build and finish the Jetta. So here's the little parts I had come in. A little petcock for the four-wheeler. The other one wasn't that bad, but I decided to get a new one because I don't want to get stuck in the middle of somewhere or have the next owner have to deal with trying to put that together. It's an easy fix. It's just two nuts. Speaking of fuel, this is the fuel filter. Look how big that thing is for the Jetta. Don't really need to replace that, but the thing was sitting for a long time, so I just might as well go ahead and replace it. Other part for the Jetta, this right here should be, yeah. So here's a cam sensor right here. It really looks like it's too much to it, but yeah. So I'd replace that. And also, since I'm gonna be under the car, well, this is more like, well, under the hood, got the crank sensor that I'm just go ahead and throw in there. Like Volkswagen Actually, German vehicles, man. Once one thing happens, another thing is going to go out. So I'm just throwing new stuff on it at random. But I got a new. Don't forget. I got a new code reader for my birthday. My wife bought it for me, and a whole bunch of codes came up. So I'm just fixing everything on that thing. Putting a lot of money into it, so I'm probably going to keep it for a while until I decide to get rid of it. But I'm trying to get my money's worth out of it, so that's why I'm not going to sell it yet. Alright, so the other day, me and my wife, we took the scooters out, and I bought this kit for one of the scooters. Really think it made a difference. I just bought it so that it would work. But like, if you get a scooter and you want to do like 10 to 15 more miles per hour, get this kit. This like this little racing kit. It's like 15 bucks at the most. I think I paid 10 or 15 bucks for it, and it actually makes a difference. Like, my wife, she just has this on it because I just wanted to get it running, but I'm gonna throw this on hers also, and I'm gonna put this on mine. That way we can haul ass, because she was leaving me like with no effort. Like, I'm full throttle, and she's just like, deuces. And everybody's laughing at me. So I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade both of them today. That way, when me and my wife go out, we can have a good time. And if we need to, speed back if it starts raining, because you know Florida, that's how it does. Alright, moving on to the parts that I got for the four-wheeler. Alright, so of course, anytime you get a vehicle, can't trust the last person who owned it. So got oil filter. I need to get some oil so I can change it. That's one of the first things I need to do once I get the wiring working again, because it stopped working. Kind of pissed me off. With anything, once you get it going, it's got to stop. So I bought new brakes for it. Front, that's a rear disc brake. It's got a front, rear drum brake. It's got a front disc brake, and this is looks like it's pretty easy. I looked on YouTube on how to do it, just to see if there's any like special thing you need to do. It's like common. If you know how to change a brake, you know how to do that. Also, I bought new levers, front and rear. Come find out it's just front and rear brake. This is like, I guess, one of those automatic shifter, whatever thingies, manual automatics. I don't know what it's called. But this is a rear brake and this is front brake. So, usually this will be a clutch and this is a front brake, but I'm good with that because it'll make it easier to ride and less things to work on. Got some new mirrors also for it. They were a good price, so I said forget it. Might as well. They look good. They match the bike, and that's it. That's all the parts. So now I'm about to start installing them. I got my battery on my charger, but it doesn't look like it's charging. I don't know what's up with my charger. I think I need a new one now. Pisses me off because that's a good charger. It was a good charger. That's why you don't let people use your shit. Excuse my language, kids, if you're watching, but alright, well, let me get into it. Start with the four-wheeler because it's kind of dewy outside. Okay, so I'm going to start on this side with the handbrakes. This is fairly simple, like. So what you want to do is make sure that you take off the brake line while it's on the handlebars. If not, you see how hard it was for me to take that off? Yeah. So you don't want those problems. So usually these come filled, which I hope there's nothing in here, which I doubt it will be, because I don't want to mess up my paint. Let's see, fuck it. Yellow, right?
Yeah, I didn't think anything was gonna be in there. So just judging off of how this looks, I'm gonna clean out this brake. Alright, so where are you? Can't find my little inner outer cleaner, so I'm gonna just use this to floss it real quick. Um, like I wouldn't worry about the line being off, screwed up and stuff, cause yeah, it's good enough. Now for this. This one should just be loose from the process of elimination. Easy work, man. Like, this stuff is easy. I love doing this shit. Simply because it gives me something to do. And I'm bringing shit back to life. That's the best part about this. But I'm gonna have to test the wiring just to see where the short is because I lost all power. And that's very disappointing. Now for the cool stuff. Let's see here. The hell? Why is this tightened? That doesn't make sense. Like the other one's loose, but this one's tight. America. I like this blue on this. This blue and black is gonna look good. It even tells you, like, it's foolproof. Tells you. Up. Nah. Oh, man. Probably think, won't you use the ratchet side? It won't fit. Not yet, anyway. There we go. So you want to make sure this is as level as possible before you completely tighten it down. Common sense, just for those who don't know. I mean, people work on these things there. And another thing that kills me is like it has a fan, but it doesn't have like a coolant tank. Oh man, see if I can move this up some. For the mirrors, Let me see. That's too high. That's good enough. Now, there's my hose. Where my hose at? It's really weird. Like, I'm guessing that this is supposed to be. I guess it don't matter. I'm gonna just throw it on like that, and hopefully it doesn't matter. If so, I'm gonna have to take this hose off and redo it. What? Like, this is literally for oh, okay. That's why. Hey, see, minor mistake. See, this was just cut on there. I thought, oh, wait a minute, that bolt ain't fucking up because it came with the damn brake. Now I'll just throw some fluid in there. It'll be good. Let's see how it looks with the mirrors. Look at that, would ya? Just look at that. Sweet. All this extra shit. I'm actually gonna leave these on. So mess stuff up. On to the next one. Alright, so we're on the other side now. It's a little complicated because there's like this little hose that I don't know what it's for, but it looks like it goes somewhere and does something. So I'm gonna just take this off and let it dangle and figure it out off the bike. Why does it look like I can take this off too? Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Here. Maybe I could take this completely apart. Yeah, I have to take it completely apart, so. Like a 10. I mean, it's nothing wrong with this. I just, just making this look cute. That gives me a reason to use my tools. Now, it should take a picture just so I can remember how this thing is put together. But I'm not. I'm just going to go with it and let everything fall apart. See, I got lucky there. Just happened to have my finger there. Caught that nut. Still gotta take this damn thing off. I don't even think this grip will come off. Can't see shit. Too dark. So I thought this side was gonna be the easy side. Shit. Okay. All right, let me get this off. So as you can see, I got the front end off. I took it off, sitting over there somewhere, right there. The back side. Now I'm just gonna take the I'm gonna do the oh man, I'm gonna go ahead and do the front brakes and then I'm gonna do the rear drum. But as you can see, I stopped taking that. There it is. Stopped taking that off because I gotta take the grip off and everything else off, and I feel like that's something I could do at night when I don't need daylight. So I'm gonna do the brakes and I'm gonna try to do the exhaust. But tonight I'm gonna do the the wiring, and then I'll figure out what's going on with that. But let's knock this out. What's up, baby? A lot of play in that. I have to tighten it up. But I'm gonna have to lower it and, oh boy. These are the perks of working on stuff that's been sitting for a long time. You can make it cute, but it's not. You know, it's like, 17. No, what's this? I don't know. Lower this a little bit. Those bottom two probably would have been easier, but I don't know. Since I have it down, might as well loosen this side. Like, it's not really tight. Like, I don't understand why. Well, that one was. And one last one. All right. Let's get this wheel off and see what we're dealing with. So I don't lose those. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Look at that. Can I like zoom in or something? No. That's how bad this is. Take this off actually. Look at this. Alright. So this is bent. That's why I was making that sound. Just bend that back out. I don't see a break on the other side. But it's not that bad. I'm probably gonna break a couple bolts, but it's all good. Alright, let's get it going. Oh. Alright, got some music in the background because I'm in here by myself, but oh man. There's a few videos out here on how to do these brakes. They're pretty simple. It's like 4 bolts that you should loosen up when you're working on this. Like, where is it? Alright, see those 2 right there? Loosen those up first because those are the ones that keep in your brake pads. This one actually looked like it's missing the inside brake pad. And then there's one like right here. You see where I have my watchman in there already. One on the top and one on the bottom. Take them off, replace, and then repeat on the other side. It's too easy. Knock this out real fast, and then get the bleed the brakes, and what's the other one? Feels like this thing's full of dirt. Oh boy. Alright, hopefully it's on there good enough. I can't see, haven't looked. Lucky day. Alright, so I'm gonna take this one all the way off. And then finish taking this one off, and then go ahead and I'm gonna fast forward this. Alright, so this is the easy part. To me it is. What you do is put a clamp on it, because you want to compress the piston. It's supposed to be easy, but like I said, when you work with old stuff, the piston actually looks bent. Yep. kidding me, bro? Like, see, this is why I wish. This is why you should always look at your crap before you order stuff, because you end up finding out more about your system than you're aware of. This is crazy. It blows my mind how people just don't take care of their stuff. I'm surprised the back of this thing ain't messed up. That's not bad. I'm afraid to look at the other side because most likely, well, damn, I should just got a whole damn new brake set. Might as well look at the other side now. It's crazy, man. I wonder if I can press this anywhere. Let me see. Look at this. Like, look. It's like grooved in, like, look at that. Like, they rolled this thing until there's like nothing left. It's just sad. Yeah, I'm just fucking with it. This is ridiculous. Alright, let me check the other side and see if Alright, well that's that. Hi, this is Bacon from the Bake Cave. I just want to thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Alright, hope you enjoy this video.